Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A5 glove box. First, locate and remove the 2 screws positioned at the bottom of the glove box. Next, gently pry off the side panel located near the door hinge using a suitable trim tool. Once the panel is off, you may find electrical connectors that need to be carefully disconnected before proceeding. This ensures you have clear access for the next steps. Now, focus on the screws that were hidden behind the side panel you just removed. After those are out, open the glove box and look along the top inside edge. You'll find several more screws there that need to be taken out. Once all these fasteners are loose, you can gently pull the entire glove box assembly forward. It should start to release from its position in the dashboard. With the glove box partially free, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical connections, such as the glove box light. Also, be sure to detach the air conditioning vent tube, which is usually connected at the back. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any wires or hoses. Once everything is disconnected, you can carefully maneuver the glove box completely out of the dashboard opening. To reinstall your Audi A5 glove box, simply reverse the steps you just followed for removal. Make sure to align everything correctly and securely fasten all screws and electrical connectors. Double-check that all components are properly seated before fully closing the glove box. Taking your time during reinstallation will prevent any rattles or issues down the road. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.